Dive into English. Unraveling the meaning of waist deep. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make waves in your English learning journey. Today, we're sinking our toes into the waters of English expressions, and we'll be exploring the phrase, waist deep. Stay tuned as we unfold the layers of meaning behind this intriguing expression. When we look at the phrase, waist deep, it's important to picture it literally first. Imagine standing in a body of water, like a pool or the ocean, and the water comes up to your waist. You're not completely submerged, but you're more than just dipping your toes in. This literal sense is our first clue to understanding the figurative use of the expression. Now, let's dive into the metaphorical. Saying someone is waist deep in something can mean they are immersed in a situation or activity, but not completely overwhelmed by it. They are involved to a significant extent but not to the point of no return. It's like being in the middle of a project or problem that requires attention and effort, but you're still able to keep your head above water. To bring this phrase closer to home, let's look at some examples. If you're waist deep in paperwork, it means you have a lot to do, but it's manageable. Someone might say they're waist deep in debt, implying a serious situation, but not insurmountable. Or you could be waist deep in research for a project, suggesting you're significantly involved in gathering information. These examples show how the phrase can be flexible, describing various levels of involvement and challenges. And that's a wrap on waist deep. We hope this video has helped you get a good grasp of this descriptive English phrase. Now, when you hear someone say they're waist deep in something, you'll know they're in it quite a bit, but not completely engulfed. Until our next linguistic dive, keep practicing and remember, a little immersion can go a long way in language learning. Goodbye for now, and happy learning!